What's up, adventure buddies? Welcome back to this week's episode where we head up to Lake Arrowhead.
And guys, if you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button so you can follow us along on all of our adventures.
For this weekend, we traveled 2 hours east to Lake Arrowhead up in the mountains, where we stayed at the beautiful Lake Arrowhead Spa and Resort.
This place was awesome. They had their own pool and even a private beach out on the lake.
And guys, as always, we woke up early and head to a new waterfall called Heart Falls Trails. Here we saw a heart shape cut out of rock, and as we do with all waterfalls, we decided to jump right in. But this time, I found a small lizard and made a new friend. Check it out.
After the waterfall, we continued hiking and we saw a small rock water slide and that Jake and I went down. Check it out.
After our hike, we blew up some cool rafts that we had to go out into a little island that Drew Gordon told us about. We had a blast. It was such a cool island. Thank you, Drew Gordon.
Well, made it to island finally. Our boat might not be as great as those, but that's how we do it here. Budget traveling.
And then the adventure continues as we went and jumped off the docks at the lake. And I learned how to do a few different dives. I'm getting pretty good if I do say so myself.
Then after we went swimming in the lake, we went fishing on the dock. Jake, Mom, and I all caught a fish, but Maddie didn't. Aww, check it out.
What's up, adventure buddies? We're up here in Lake Arrowhead trying to catch some big fish.
After what we felt was already an exhausting day, the adventure continues. However, this adventure was a little bit different than normal as we had to take on the world's largest pizza. See if we finished it.
And then comes my favorite part. We got to go water skiing for the first time. To be honest, this wasn't the easiest, but once we got it down, we had so much fun. On top of water skiing, Gianna and I kneeboarded, and Matt and Mom tried the wakeboard. Big shout out to our instructor, Mitch, from Mackenzie Water Skiing, who took great care of us and made sure we had a blast.
Just a little positive message from professional water skier.
And there you have it, another weekend for our summer 2020 staycation in the books. And as Jake said, please be sure to subscribe down below and follow us. And be sure to check out our website to learn more from our blogs. We have a lot of detailed information there that I'm sure you guys will enjoy.
And remember, life's an adventure.
Who are you going on it with?